Next topic, subsets, power set and universal set. Subset means a set A is said to be subset of set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. It implies if all the elements of set A present in set B, then we can say set A is subset of B. Symbolic form we can write A is subset of B if A belongs set A implies A belongs in set B. I hope many of is clear. Once again, if all the elements of set A present in set B, then we can say set A is subset of set B. For example, set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the elements set A means 1, 2, 3 and 4 present in set B. Then we can say A is subset of B. But all the elements of set B not present in set A. For example, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 not present in A. It implies B is not a subset of A. On the basis of this definition, we can write every set is subset of itself. If any set is given as 1, 2, 3 and second set is also 1, 2, 3, all the elements of set A is present in itself. Means every set is subset of itself. The smallest set is empty set, and we can consider empty set as a subset of every set. Third important point on subsets. You have to find number of subsets of a finite set containing n elements. Then formula is 2 power n. Using formula 2 power n, we can find number of subsets of a given set. Means how many subsets we can write. If A is subset of B, but A not equal to B, then A is called proper subset of B and B is called proper superset of A. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3. NA means number of elements in set A equal to 3. Now, can you write number of subsets? In previous slide, you have covered the number of subsets means 2 power n, and where n is number of elements. Means number of subsets 2 power 3, that is 8. Now, try to write all subsets of set A. Number of subsets confirm here, that is 2 power 3 equal to 8. You have to write all subsets. Smallest subset 5, because empty set is the subset of all the sets. Then second subset we can write containing one element, A3, A4, A5 having two elements 1 and 2, A6 two elements 1, 3, any two elements of set A, A7 and A8 means set itself. Easily you can observe here whatever sets written A1, A2, A3, A4 up to A8 all are subset of set A. It implies if any set is given, number of subsets using formula 2 power n is 2 power 3 equal to 8, and also you can write all subsets. In reference of real number, Simple notation all of you know. N means natural number. Z represent collection of all integers. Q rational number. If we consider T as a set of irrational number and are real number, then relationship easily we can observe here on the basis of these 5 sets. Natural number means n is subset of Z because all the elements of n belongs in Z and all the elements of Z belongs in Q. It implies Z is also subset of Q and Q is subset of R because real number means collection of rational and irrational numbers. Irrational number means T subset of R. And one last, n is not a subset of T. Easily you can observe here. Now next, intervals in reference of real number. Let two real number A and B such that A is less than B. Then we can write closed interval AB, symbolic form bracket. In bracket you are writing AB. It implies collection of all real number starting from A to B. Here A and B also included here. For example, 2, 3. Closed interval 2, 3 means all real number from 2 to 3. Closed interval 1 to 5 means all real number starting from 1 to 5. And also all of you know, between two real numbers there are infinite number of rational number or real number. Hence, closed interval AB, how many elements are there? Infinite. Here you can observe number line collection of all real number. Here between A and B, A and B is also included here, means closed interval. Open interval collection of all real numbers between A and B. Here A and B is not included. On number line you can represent here, means between A and B are real number, but A and B is not covered. Open on left and close on right. Or you want to write real numbers between A and B, but with condition A is not included and B is included. If A is not included means open interval and B is covered here, therefore closed interval. If inside closed interval is applied, it implies that number is covered. Similarly, open on right and closed on left means AB means all real numbers between A and B in which A is included and B not covered. Next, if we want to write all real number greater than A, we can represent in this form, A to infinite. Next interval, all real number greater or equal to A. In set builder form we can write x such that x is greater or equal to A, x belongs R. Means all real number greater or equal to A. Collection of all real numbers less than A. Set builder form is written here. And next, all real numbers less or equal to A. We can write in this form a number line minus infinite to A. Power set. If any set is given, easily you can write all subsets of it. Then the collection of all subsets of set A is called power set of A. Symbolic form denoted by PA. In PA, every element is a set because you are going to write all subsets of set A. And number of elements in power set equal to 2 power n. And here n is number of elements in set A. Means, one example, set A is given 1, 2. Now, subsets of A you can write, since there are 2 elements, the number of subsets A1, A2, A3 and A4. 4 subsets are here. So, power set means collection of all subsets of set A. Means A1, A2, A3, A4. Put values, and that is known as power set of A. Number of elements in power set, easily you can calculate 2 power n, means 2 power 2 equal to 4. I hope power set is clear here. Next, universal set. A set that contains all sets under consideration is called universal set, denoted by U. Under consideration means if 3 sets given, for example, set A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C equal to 2, 3, 4. You have to write a set that contains all the elements of set A, B and C. So there are infinite number of sets we can write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, B, C, all sets are subset of A. Also we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore we write smallest superset of A, B and C. Or you can say a set which contains all the elements of A, B, C. And you will write U containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can be taken as the universal set for A, B and C. For example, class 11A and 11B. For 11A and 11B, you can consider all the students of class 11 as the universal set. Some questions for practice. Natural numbers given. You write subset of n whose elements are even number. Subsets of n whose elements are perfect square number. Question number 2. ABC 3 sets given. You have to write a universal set for A, B and C. And third, set is given in set builder form. You have to write in interval form. And fourth question, if A equal to 5, you have to write number of elements in power set of A. This practice question you have to complete and give the answer.